Hello students, good morning. How are you? I hope you all are fine. Today we are going to learn about the moon. Open your books, page number 2. The moon is closer to the earth. It is smaller than the earth. And it is a solid body. Solid means hard. It has no heat or light of its own. Its light is a reflection of sun. The moon is called a natural satellite because it goes round the earth. The earth and moon both moves around the sun. Important points. The moon is closer to the earth. The moon is smaller than the earth. The moon has no heat or light of its own. Its light is a reflection of the sun's light. The moon is Earth's natural satellite. The earth and moon both move round the sun. Words meaning. Closer mean near. Solid mean hard. Reflection mean the image of something as reflected by mirror. Natural mean not artificial. Satellite mean the object that orbits around the earth. Round mean having a circular shape. This is your first activity. Tick the correct statement. The moon is closer to the earth. The moon is closer to the earth. Tick. The moon has its own light or heat. Cross. The moon is a natural satellite. Tick. The moon goes round the sun. False. The moon is smaller than the earth. True. This is your second activity. Fill in the blanks. The moon is dash to the earth. It is dash than the earth. It has no dash or dash of its own. Its light is a dash of the sun's light. The dash and dash both move round the sun. Write and learn words meaning and fill in the blanks in your homework copies. Thank you students. God bless you. Stay home. Stay safe.